Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to YouTube app not working issue on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, delete the YouTube app or install it. Select app YouTube which you want to delete and reinstall app again to App Store. And problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and restarting your iPhone. And problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update the YouTube app. First tap on App Store. Search YouTube. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network setting. First tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode. Reset network setting. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network setting and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update your iPhone. Firstly tap on setting app, scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update and problem is fixed. How to YouTube app not working issue on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.